Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Z here at Elevated Living with Z. So I'm not gonna count our raw energy style videos anymore. I think this is like number 5 or 6, but we're back. It's 2020 and we're gonna go very different this year. I'm sorry guys, it's really cold out here, like 35 or 40 degrees, but I mean, it's chill, but it's literally chill. So what's gonna happen in this particular video is I'm gonna do a raw style energy video, but for healing for Australia. They're having some real serious problem with fires. They're having some real dying of the land, dying of the animals. I'm sorry, guys, dying of people. And we need to send healing. We need to send continued healing. We need to share this video. We need to play this video. We need to do it with intent. And we need to really help our brothers and sisters over there so that they can get the help, the relief, the rain, the healing that they need and totally deserve. And so, a little bit more about housekeeping. You guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. This isn't going to be like my other raw style energy videos where I come in at the end and I tell you guys how I'm feeling. So, the only talking I'm going to be doing in this video is now. So like all the other ones, I'm gonna be connecting to Mother Earth. I'm gonna be drawing up the energy, and I'm just gonna be throwing out there whatever comes through, whatever needs to. And if I feel any words or channeled energy or a message, I will pop on here after. But I'm not searching for a message today. Today, what I'm searching for is a collective togetherness, healing for Australia and its beautiful people and its wonderful land. It's a very important staple to Mother Earth, and we really need to, with intent in all of our hearts and souls, really send the love and light and energy that it deserves. And that said, this is the first video we're going to be releasing for this year. I think the next video is going to be questions and answers. I've been getting a lot of them, so stay tuned for that one. And the very next one I think is going to be organized healing video, a special request from a lovely subscriber of ours. And don't forget, like I said, to like, share, and subscribe if it resonates with you. Remember, I love you guys. I'm really looking forward to being able to share the rest of the year with you guys and teach you new things this year. I'm going to stay away from being too organized or too critical or too in order. And I'm just going to set free my real me, and I'm going to let you guys see where I'm coming from, what's going on. You guys heard me coughing, the bloopers. It is what it is. This is going to be more of a video log about how these things are done, as well as the healing sessions and the different we're going to go to different places this year and pull up energy from all around, wherever I can find myself going this year, and just really take it up a notch for you guys and really take this healing and loving thing to the next level. I love you guys so much, and I thank you guys for the time that we've already had here together, all my lovely subscribers. I'm so grateful for you, that the ones that have been here, and I'm so thankful for the ones that are arriving and that are new. Welcome. I look forward to sharing this this year and this lifetime with you guys. I'm about to hit that healing, you guys. Thank you so much for your support and your love, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Hey guys, I'm back. Oh no. And yes, and wow. These always come out like wow. I don't even know what to say. I mean, I know what to say to you guys. I just how to respond to the energy when you go outside. I recommend that everybody who is into healing or trying to do healing on yourself or others just take a chance at being outside. If you guys see my setup, some rocks, some old tree that I thought was really important that some people cut down. I saved some of it, and you know, I've allowed it to be there and bless it, and stuff like that. But okay. So to the healing session. Some things you don't like hearing and you don't understand, but you have to share them anyway. It's one of those moments where I didn't want to say this, but I'm going to have to. Where acceptance is key and understanding. Yes, send healing, send love and light. They need it beyond measure. And we are here to provide it. That's what our jobs as spirit workers, to help our brothers and sisters. And even as a normal human being, we are a spirit worker in that respect, that we are spirit. So every time we do a work, it is a spirit work. So, God, it's just hard for me to say. I'm so sorry, guys, that the message was that some things have to happen and clear the way for the new to come in and blossom. That it is okay to mourn and feel, but not to dwell. And this is a moment of transformation, and that no death ever occurs without life springing from it. There is no true end in the universe as we believe it, because we are spirit and we live on forever, and everything is a manifestation of spirit to some form or another, and are coming back regardless. So and I don't know why it hurts me to say that, but I think because I just want to be mad and I want to be sad and I want to be angry at these fires, but I also want to be thankful that, we can count on Creator to help, that He will, it will, she will supply, for us, for this moment, for Australia, for every people in it, and everything, and every animal, and that this is a necessary evil. Sad, but blessings will come, unity will come, new growth will come, a new way will come. The people will come together, and some things will leave that needed to leave. I'm not sure if energy or ancient energies or whatever it was. I'm not sure. I wasn't told that. The message clear. Some things have to end for new things to begin. And this was sadly one of those. It's okay to mourn and grieve, that we should be there for each other through this process, because it is a world problem. And the whole world is going to suffer this loss. But at the same time, rejoice together that there will be a new beginning, a brighter, better growth, more animals, more abundance, and more life and love to that nation, to that area, and to those people. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I hope you guys understood. Sometimes I don't even understand what's going on with this energetics. And I look forward to seeing you in the next raw energy video, you guys. Namaste, and I see you guys. Love, light for Australia. I'm sending you guys a bunch of hugs and kisses and all of the love in my heart your way. In the name of the highest love and light. Good night, good day, wherever you guys are. Good life. Whew. Hey guys. So I know you guys see me dressed in my robe, and I'm coming back to this video again because something was bothering me that I didn't tell you guys, and then Spirit said you have to tell them. So in the video, as I was working the energy, there was a moment where you guys hear some rocks fall, and I turn over abruptly. Which you guys didn't see because I couldn't grab the camera and turn it there. I was in the middle of a session. Was that there was a flock of birds that came out of nowhere and dropped a bunch of rocks from a tree. Very, very weird happening. But when it happened, I realized that nature will do what nature does. And in that moment, like I was pulled away for 2 seconds, but when I came back, my focus was different. And that's when I started to have all the messages. So I think a lot of the messages had to do with like the bird dropping in the news. I don't know, maybe it was symbolic. Maybe this is only me. I just really, for those of you who caught me looking over and wanted to know what was going on. That's what was going on. A flock of birds flew through and dropped like what sounded like rocks. For me, it was information, pebbles, nuggets of golden juice that we needed to hear from Source. Anyway, I just felt like I really need to relay that message. Hope it didn't come off too crazy. I love you guys. Bye again.